So thanks for tuning into the third installment of Alternatives and Calculations in Energy Pro. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to model existing buildings for remodeling and additions. So let's first start off by looking at a model that I have built in Energy Pro. This building has two zones. One zone with an existing condition with some areas that I have, with some walls that I have removed, and some walls that I had replaced with some new walls. So I have also, with this building, put in an addition, some additional area. So what I want to do is I want to model the building the way I want it to look. And I'm going to model all of the existing walls that are going to remain. And I'm going to leave these as the surface type as existing. And each of the areas, each of the assemblies, so whether it be a wall or a floor or a ceiling, I'm going to leave that to existing if I want it to remain. New if it's brand new, or if it's a brand new addition or remodel. Okay, so those two types, existing or new. So in my existing house, I have set up the room as accordingly existing and alterations, or I should say remodel, and existing and remodel. And I left this as existing with the year. Okay, so I've labeled each elevation based on what I'm going to do to that elevation and that assembly. So as you can see, I have remaining. Most everything here is to remain. I'm going to be adding in some new windows into some of these remaining wall assemblies. So you'll see I modeled in these new windows, and they'll be Energy Star rated. Let's lower this down to about 0.30. Okay, and so what we want to do is leave all my existing assemblies existing and all my new assemblies surface type new. And in my remodel, in my area, I'm going to model in the new area, which is something fairly small, only about 118 square foot, so about a new room. I'm going to set that to new, set the ceiling height accordingly, and my elevations for my front, back, right, and left wall will be modeled according to what I am doing to my addition. And I'm going to be basically setting these as all new, and they should be following energy code as R13. All these assemblies should be following energy code. Let me set this up as R22, and the roof is R30 per energy code. Let's actually change this to an R38 roof attic. Okay. So what we want to do for any project that we have that's a remodel and addition, in the calculations, we want to do the same things to the existing that we did to the additional remodel areas, or any improvements that we did to the house we want to do to the rest of the house. So that includes wall insulation, improving that to R13. We're going to improve our roof insulation to R38. So any area that we have as R30 will be improved to R38. And any floor insulation will be improved to R22. All the windows will be upgraded to the Milgard Low-E, the 0.30 per Energy Star. We're going to put in a 95% efficient furnace, and that should wrap it up. And we're going to go ahead and run a res performance calculation, which looks at the building with the existing conditions and the remodel, and it's going to have some of the remodel attributes put into the existing condition. And as you can see, these have a notable savings to the building to get us about over 30%, a little over 30% site energy savings. And we can do a run individual measures calculation to see how each of these contribute to each of the building. But essentially, that's what we want to look at when we do a remodel and addition. We want to see the existing and the new conditions modeled in accordingly as either existing surface type or a new surface type. And that pretty much wraps up this video on modeling existing buildings for remodeling and additions. Thanks for watching, and tune into our final installment on complex alternatives. Thank you.